Good morning mga amigo, welcome back sa ating channel at nandito na tayo ngayon sa kalsada. Time check po muna ay sa 4:45 ng umaga. Ganyan kasi kaagang simula ng ating biyahe o trabaho. Sa ngayon, binabaybay natin yung HB de la Costa Street, Makati City. Dire-diretso lamang po to hanggang doon sa may dulo. Pagdating doon, kakanan tayo, papunta tayo ng Skyway. Ayan mega love shoutout po sa inyong lahat at sana suportahan nyo po yung ating channel. Maraming salamat po at enjoy po tayo sa ating paglalakbay.
Alarm rings, loud betsam up. Coffee strong, dressed to go. Traffic jam, but I won't stop. Got a dream, can't let go. Cubicle walls, clock ticks fast. Email ping, busy call. Filing papers, days won't last. On this grind, standing tall. Working all day. No sleep, just making my way. Working that pay. Gonna shine, gonna slay. Lunch break, quick bite to eat. Back again at my desk. Pushing hard, feel the heat. Sweat and tears make no mess. Knife on screen, still alight. Project stacks, got a new. Burning oil through the night. Chasing dreams, see it through. Working all day. No sleep, just making my way. Working that pay. Gonna shine, gonna stay. Gonna shine, gonna slay. Gonna shine, gonna slay. Gonna slay. Working all day. No sleep, just making my way. Working that way. Gonna shine, gonna slay. Gonna shine, gonna slay. Gonna shine, gonna slay. Gonna shine, gonna slay. Gonna slay. Work, bite to eat. Back again at my desk.
Maraming salamat mga amigo at mga amiga sa pag-follow at sa pakikinig at panunod sa ating mga video. Maraming salamat po. Thank you. Follow and share.